short and sweet tonight because, as you know, there's a very, very special band in town. And they're waiting just right over there to play a show. Does anybody know who that special band might be? I said, does anyone know what that special band might be? Say Orgy really loud. Honored, surprised, happy, and awesome to be on tour with the amazing Orgy. And we would like to thank you for sharing some of your time with us tonight. So thank you very much. And I'm really excited because last time we were here, we were on tour with the amazing Mushroom Head. And then I totally just got to see Ventana. Also give it up for the amazing local bands and our tour buddies, Fault Line. But enough about them. Back to me. Song, I'm going to require crowd participation. Are you with me, Flint, Michigan, Texas? Good. Because this next song is in fact a sing-along, and I'm going to teach you the words with the help of Junior's fat beats. Give us a fat beat, Junior. Repito, por favor, which is Chinese for please repeat. Serial killers are people too. Serial killers are people too. If you take away the voices, I'm just like you. If you take away the voices, I'm just like you. I'll hack you up and bury you in my yard. I'll hack you up and bury you in my yard. But why does making friends have to be so very hard? But why does making friends have to be so very hard? And then you do this. But you get that. I have one question for you tonight, Flint, Michigan, Texas. And that question is, are you my friends? Good. Because this song here is called Be My Friend. And we're going to do it Texas style. Oh, God. There's a girl across the street from me. I buried her son beneath that tree. I don't know why she's mad at me. He was digging up my garage, you see. Love. I met a cute boy, he liked my smile. We fell in love for while. He kissed me on the lips and it tasted sweet, so I chopped him into pieces and cooked his feet. Call that brisket in Texas. Your turn. Serial killers are people too. If you take away the voices, I'm just like you. I'll hack you up and bury you in my yard. Oh, why does making friends have to be so very hard? Want to hear about religion? Do you? I made a dress from a choir girl's skin. I wore it to church. The preacher said I'd sinned. Forgive me, Father, for my fashion crime. Your skin is so nice, I'll use yours next time. George. La 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 la. And now, for our very last and final trick of the evening.